People aren't just searching on Google anymore. It's not the holy grail of search that it once was. I mean, I'm a big fan of organic search, organic discovery, but the problem is zero-click searches. You know, so many searches now result in the searcher not actually going to the website. And AI overviews, the issue with that now is even worse. We've seen on sites 20% drops in organic traffic where AI overviews have been presented where they weren't there before. So this is where Google or Bing takes all of those great results, amalgamates them all and writes them up for them. And then I think something which is really going to become more and more important is the fragmented search landscape. People aren't just searching on Google anymore. It's not the holy grail of search that it once was. People are searching on social media, on TikTok, Instagram. AI tools are becoming, ubiquitous. I'm sure we're all using them here. And so the landscape is changing before us. It's not just about gathering data now, it's about using it. And companies are expected to do this. Boards of directors, shareholders, they're asking, what's your data strategy? What are you doing in order to gain these insights? Even if you're working for a small business or a charity or a not-for-profit, you need to think about what are we doing in terms of actually driving business change with understanding from data, because the tools are there. Why would you not have a different experience on your website for somebody who's an existing customer versus somebody who's a prospect? It makes no sense to have the same experience because they're in a very different place. So why now, with the technology available, do we not seize that? And so we need to do things like A/B testing to hyper-personalize and optimize it. I do think that sometimes marketeers can be a little on the polite side and don't go out for the win quite as much as they should. But in business, you want to win because frequently there's nothing for coming second in business. Oh, we were close on the pitch, we came second, doesn't get you any revenue. Same thing on the purchase. Oh, they nearly bought our product, but then they didn't. So we need to really think about winning.